The next one is to monetize. Write it there, monetize. The next one is to monetize. Very, very important. Monetize. A lot of people have the skill, but they don't know the business of that skill. That's one of the differentiating factor between me and several other people who are trading cryptocurrencies in the industry. I know the skill, I also know the business behind it. And that's why I have an education platform. That's why I have a cryptocurrency hedge fund. That's why I'm doing the several things and premium products that I'm building, because you can become a singer and still don't know how to make money as a singer. That's the difference between Don Jazzy and several other people who are in the same industry. That's why some people have their potentials, they have their skill, but yeah, because they've not applied the principle of monetization. Monetization, monetization, monetization. Remember this, your goal is to multiply your income. Your goal is to increase your income. Monetization is a big deal.